Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is December 27, 2021. Let's look at the stock market here and also look at beaten down stocks. As you see here, S&P 500 futures is up slightly, and as you look through here, there is a tight trading range in S&P 500. That tells you be a little bit careful. The moment you see these type of trading range, typically it's not a great sign, and it indicates this situation may continue as you go forward. You could see turbulent moves as you go forward. And with that, as you look through here, similar pattern in Nasdaq also. Nasdaq is also in a tight trading range here. This pattern might continue as stock market goes higher like this, take some profit off the table, and as it comes down, buy some. So that's a very good strategy here. Buy the dips, and don't buy at the top here. And similar pattern as you go through Dow Jones Industrial Average here. Look, same trajectory here, up down. So this thing will continue for a while. And as you look through here with Russell 2000, Russell is in a different spot here. Clearly Russell is trending down as we see here. So I think Russell is a weaker of the segments here. Again, Russell is opening up to be a little bit low from a performance perspective. So I'll be a little careful on the Russell here and go from there. Typically, Russell will provide a leading indicator on what stock market might do. These bigger indices. Russell is telling, hey, what, party is not there yet, so it might slow down a little bit. That's why Russell has got a little bit red candle here that tells you party may not be starting yet. So we'll see how this goes and go from there. So with that, what we'll do next is we'll look at um, top ETFs and also look at beaten down stocks. So with that, let's jump in here and look at the ETFs. So as you look through here from an ETF perspective, um, so we got here top indices, S&P 500, and all these major indices as you can see here. Let's look at what's going on here. And look here, we got most of these indices are at the 52-week high for most part. So I'll be a little bit careful here. Look, we got all these major indices almost at the top here. Look, SPY just 0.6% below its 52-week high. Nasdaq, same story, almost 2.9%. Russell is a little more down here. There are some good opportunities there, but otherwise major indices are almost at the top here. So we got to be a little bit careful. And let's look at a few more here. I also like to look at major trend. From a major trend perspective, look, we got all these major trends going on here. But what I typically focus on is the beaten down areas. Let's do one thing. Let's look at low RSI. That tells you what's beaten down in this major, major trends. As you clearly see here, we got here Ethereum and Bitcoin area. Bitcoin is down as you can see here. So I'd be buying some of these crypto stocks at these levels here and go from there. Look, RSI is 46 and 41. So that tells you could buy some of these great Bitcoin stocks like Marathon, Right Blockchain, BTBT, and few others. And clean energy is also down as you can see here. You could buy some great clean energy type stocks here and go from there. And I like buying these biotech names here. Look, ARC Human Genomics is down big time. You could buy some great biotech stocks at these levels. There are some great ones you could buy. And as usual, we got MJ here. Cannabis cohort is dropping off like anything. They're waiting for some regulatory improvements, but looks like off late it's improving a little bit. So too early to buy cannabis names here. They've been down for long. I would skip that for now. But fintech, we got some great opportunity to buy some great fintech names. We could look at some of those beaten down names as we go forward. And solar is completely sold off at these levels. I'm a buyer of solar stocks at these levels here. Think about Solar Edge and Phase Energy and many of these great solar plays here. Similarly, we got Lithium, think about EV batteries, they're all down big time. RSI 38 indicates completely sold off here. I'm a buyer of those also. And we got even DRIV here, autonomous driving. You could buy some of those names also, given they're sold off here. And last but not least, we got here social media. Some of the great social media companies are down big time. You could buy them into this weakness and go from there. So with that, what we'll do now is we'll look at top stocks here and go from there. So let's jump in here and look at the beaten down stocks. As you look through here, we got the stock market here. A lot of these major companies are in this spreadsheet here. Let's look at the bigger ones here with the volume greater than 1 million shares traded. And let's also look at stocks which are down big time in last 1 month, so that way we get a good idea. Let's sort this by stocks which are beaten down in last 1 month. There you go. We want smallest on the top. All right, let it go through here. We'll see all the stocks that are beaten down big time in last 1 month. Look, we got multiple of these here. Let's go after stronger candidates here. Let's say we want positive gross margin and we want positive sales, and we want valuation less than 25, PS ratio less than 25. We are basically going after stronger candidates, as you can see here. And we can also avoid some of these high debt candidates. Let's keep them for now. We can eliminate them as we go forward. So with that, here we are looking at stronger players. It's a short list, as you can see, not a huge list. I could also say I want financially strong companies by clicking his Altman Z score here. Now we're getting financially strong companies. And many of you may not like to see some Chinese names. You can get rid of them. And also, many of you don't want to see low price stocks here, very low price stocks. For that reason, I will say price greater than $10 here. Eliminate some of those very small price stocks here. Now we are getting a nice list, as you can see here. So I think all these names are good ones to take a look here. Look, we got nice sales growth here, quarter over quarter sales growth, positive here. Gross margin is very good. Some companies have got net margin negative, which is understandable because some companies do have net margin negative, early stage companies, which is completely okay by my books. So we could look at some of these names here and go from there. And some companies have got a little bit higher debt. Look, some things come to mind here. Let's go here and look at few names here. First look here. We got CROX. CROX is done big time. Look, last Friday here, CROX were down so much here, down 11.6%. At these levels, I would be a buyer of CROX slowly. Look, CROX is nice top line growth. Sales growth is nice here for quarter over quarter. Nice gross margin. Companies making money, net margin positive. They got a little bit higher debt, which is not too bad. And look at the price to sales ratio or PS ratio here, which is very low here. This company bought another company. I think it's Hello Dude. That's why after that news, stock came down here. I'm a buyer of this company here, given they dropped off so much here. I'll be slowly buying some of this company and keep watching here. This company has, let's go back here. This company has done, great from a 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, even 10 year. CROX has done great here. It's a consistent player. That's why I think it's a good one to buy slowly at these levels here and go from there. Nice volume here. I like the volume. They got some cash and some debt, which is completely manageable here. So with that, CROX is a good one to buy up here and go from there. And we can look at few more here, beaten down names. As we go forward here, keep watching beaten down names. All right, I think we got some of these names here, which are, all these names are beaten down big time, as you can see here. You could buy some of these names here, given they are beaten down so much, and also nice sales growth and gross margin. And look, we got few solar stocks here, like ENPH Energy here. It's a great one to buy at these levels. As you look through ENPH, We got nice growth here. Sales growth, top line is very nice. And as you look through here, they've done great. Look, 5 years growth, 5 year performance is 15,198. That's a huge performance for this company here. And right now RSI is 36. That tells you company is completely sold off here. I'm a buyer of this company, ENPH Energy here, and go from there. And look, I like Chinese Tesla at these levels here, $30, a very good price to pay. I know many of you may not like Chinese names here, but Neo at $30 is a compelling buy. Look, they got nice sales growth here and nice gross margin. And as you look through here, keep going back here. Neo, keep watching Neo here. This company has got nice 2 year performance of 1035, and they got a lot of cash. Look, 6776 billion dollars of cash here, and some debt which is completely manageable. So at these levels I'm a buyer of Neo here. And keep watching here. We got a few more stocks. I like SE also. It's a great company. You could buy some SE at these levels here. It's a very good stock to buy here. They got a lot of these social media and also gaming and e-commerce type play. It's a very good one. Look, low RSI here. And we got a few more as you look through here. Growth generation, again a great cannabis play here. RSI is very low at this time here, 32. Stock is trying to make a small comeback, as you can see here. And we got a few more. We got Zoom, for the folks who like Zoom here. He's trying to make a small comeback with the Omicron virus impacting the work. I think it's a good one to buy here. And we got Jack Dorsey's block here. It's a good one. It's also trying to make a comeback here. Jack Dorsey is pivoting to crypto. I think that could be a good one here. I think it should be a good one to buy at these levels here. And we got Livent. Livent got clobbered a couple of weeks ago. It's a good play here into lithium. I think it's a good one to buy slowly. Look, nice top line growth here. As you look through, nice 1 year as well as 2 year performance. And they do have about 195 million dollar cash in the balance sheet. That's good. And we got a few more. Under Armour, I think it's trying to make a small comeback. I would probably wait on this a little bit. Company has been not doing great for a very, very, very long time here. I'm a buyer of Adobe. Adobe is a great stock. Shantanu Narayanan here. Stock is sold off. Look, RSI is just 36 here. I'm a buyer of Adobe at these levels also. And we got a few more here. We got Salesforce.com, Mark Benioff's company. I'll be buying that too. Look, nice sales growth, nice gross margin, and RSI is very, very, very low here. And then we got Anaplan. Anaplan is a beaten down stock here. You could buy some Anaplan here. It's not done well. If you want to skip it, that's fine too. It doesn't have a track record like CRM here. And we got Alibaba, Chinese stock here trying to make a small comeback. I'm not into Chinese stocks at this time, given, some of these Chinese stocks are struggling with the Chinese government. On the other hand, Pinterest is a good one here. Look, Pinterest is trying to make a comeback, as you can see here. I'm a buyer of Pinterest at these levels here. It's a great play. And we got a few more as we look through here. Medtronics has been beaten down. Now it's trying to make a small comeback here. At these levels, Medtronic also works here. Look, nice performance, 5 year and 10 year. Right now struggling in near term, but trying to make a small comeback, as you can see here. And we got a few more plays here. Autodesk is a good one. I like this company. Right now RSI is a little higher. I would wait for a little pullback here. Let's say low RSI here to remove some of these high RSI candidates. And we got a few more here. You could look at companies like Twitter. It's a good one to buy here. And I also like Exact Sciences. As you look through here, RSI is 45. It's a great company to buy here. Look, nice performance in 5 year and 10 year also for Exact Sciences. Netflix is a compelling buy here. RSI is just 50. Stock is trying to make a small comeback here. And we got a few more as you can scan through here, all great companies. You could look at some of these names here and buy them slowly. And now what we'll do is we'll say we want net margin positive, so that way we can look at even stronger candidates. All right, so we even get smaller list here, very small list. You could look at this list here and buy some great candidates of this list. I will also say, just don't give me Chinese names here. Just avoid China right now and look at non-Chinese names and go from there. All right, now we get all non-Chinese names. List is even shorter as you can see here. I would be looking at these names here. CROX at the top. You could buy CROX into this weakness. And we got ENPH Energy, good one. Best Buy, looks like Best Buy also came down here with the low RSI. You could buy some Best Buy also here and go from there. So with that, what we'll do is we'll end here. Thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Have a good one.